Hello and welcome. In this video, we are going to give you an impartial review when we are covering 5 best folding hunting knives in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are trying to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1, our overall best pick is Outdoor Edge Replaceable Blade Folding Knife. This is the sharpest, strongest, replacement razor blade knife available, with blades that change safely and easily at the push of a button. The black oxide-coated blade holder supports the razor blade for the strength of a standard knife and sharpness of a surgeon's scalpel. The 3.5 Japanese 420J2 stainless razor blades are precisely heat-treated and hand-finished shaving sharp. The double-molded Grivery handle features rubberized TPR inserts for a non-slip grip, even when wet. The double-sided thumb stud allows easy, one-hand opening, and the replaceable pocket clip contours with the handle so it feels like an integral part of the grip. The Razor Light EDC is available with orange, blue or gray handles and comes complete with 6 replacement blades. Replacement packs of 6 blades sold separately. If that's not enough, you can purchase additional blades from Outdoor Edge which can be easily swapped out on your knife. Those blades are all of high quality, and the handle with its non-slip grip and pocket clip is also something to admire. Pros: 6 replaceable blades, easy to open, good for field dressing. Cons: not suitable for larger tasks. Number 2, our second best pick is Spyderco Delica 4 Lightweight Signature Folding Knife. One of the most compact folding hunting knives is this Spyderco Delica knife. It is lighter and more compact than other competitors are. With the brand Spyderco, this best folding hunting knife promises not to help you in hunting but also handles perfectly for home use. The blade of the knife is made of high-grade VG10 stainless steel. Despite its small size, the product offers excellent cutting power. Its design with flat bevel edge makes the knife superb lightweight. Regarding the locking system, this knife has no push button, so you have to open it by hand. While opening it, remember there is a hole at the back of the blade. Another feature that makes this best folding hunting knife extremely lightweight is its handle, which is made of fiberglass reinforced nylon, known as FRN. Therefore, you can have a firm and pleasant grip. In addition, the handle comes in bidirectional texture and reinforced nylon. You can use the tool with one hand thanks to the one-hand opening feature. Furthermore, the product comes with a clip that enables you to carry it in your pocket or belt comfortably and easily. Finally, there are many colors and price options for your choice. Pros: made of VG10 stainless steel, adequate weight ensures perfect balance. Comes with a fiberglass reinforced nylon handle. Comes with an ultra-sharp blade together with a functional pocket clip. Comes in many colors. Cons: there is no better push button for opening the blade. Number 3, our third best pick is Hoverlon Parento Edge Orange Handle Additional Crazy Sharp Blades. This knife is currently the best deer hunting knife on offer, mainly due to the fact that each of the 12 blades provided are made from stainless steel. The fine, sharp blade will be perfect for cutting up any deer that you've successfully hunted. The easy grip, bright orange handle makes sure that your hand won't slip and the chances of losing it are fairly low. If you ever want to switch blades, you'll have the choice of 12 additional blades that can be easily replaced. This knife is quite possibly the best when it comes to deer hunting. The bright orange color is great for keeping track of where your knife is. It even has a pocket clip to keep it close by. The reason why it's the best for deer hunting is because of the fine, sharp blades that are used to cut the meat. Another advantage is that you've got a great supply of backup blades that come with the product. The only problem that you might have with these blades are that although they're stainless steel, they're extremely thin, which might be a problem when applying some more force as they could easily snap. This might be why you get an additional 12 blades with your purchase. Pros: can't be lost. Great for detailed cutting, plenty of additional blades. Cons: blades are thin. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is CRKT Homefront Aluminium Folding Pocket Knife. Folding knives have had a mixed reception with the hunting community. They're easy to carry and compact, but have mechanisms that are vulnerable to getting gunked up while processing game. The Homefront Hunter from CRKT is a very worthy attempt to solve this issue. The included field strip technology makes it easy to disassemble and reassemble the knife without tools. The CRKT Homefront offers a classic folding knife design featuring an innovative field stripping technology. This breakthrough design allows you to disassemble and clean the knife in the field without the need for tools. It has an impressive canonian design that resembles the classic QI folding knife with a useful modern update. Keep your knife functioning at full capacity with the Homefront field strip knife. The blade is a handsome drop point design, with a prominent fuller, big belly, and a simple wedge terminating in a capable tip. You almost forget this is a canonian design, except for that suggestion of a recurve. Features: field strip technology allows you to disassemble knives without tools. Oz 8 blade steel for a strong, hard blade. 6061 aluminium handles provide a sturdy, lightweight frame. Number 5. Last but not the least, our fifth best pick is Spyderco Bird CRKT 2 Folding Knife. Blade bird knives provide similar features, with small differences. When it comes to the CRKT 2 Folding Knife, you can get the blade in two different options. The knife comes in one full color. You have two options when making the purchase. You can keep it in an original shiny stainless steel design. You can also opt for a less reflective option. The black alternative is coated and likely to maintain its looks, yet it could scratch if you failed to look after it. There is one risk associated with folding knives. What if you accidentally open it in the pocket? Luckily, Bird has already thought about it. The locking mechanism is located at the back of the handle. It relies on a rocker arm that moves towards the middle. Once opened, the blade will be locked. The back of the handle features a belt clip. It is excellent to avoid storing the knife in hardly accessible places. After all, you want access to it right away while on your hunting trips. The clip is durable and flexible and can go anywhere. The pocket clip can also be moved to different locations on the knife, only to ensure more convenient use. Pros: available in a few different colors and two different blade options. Solid stainless steel design that will last and resist corrosion and rust. Easy to open and locks in position when fully opened. Good balance between the blade and handle length. Cons: a bit heavier than other units in this price range. So, grab this while you can. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback. Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.